So we've defined our properties, our variables, our functions, we've defined our geometry. Now we're ready for our last piece of input into this model, which are the material properties. Material properties, honestly, this is one of the best features, in my opinion, of COMSOL because they have actually a very comprehensive library of materials. So what you want to do is under this materials node, hit add a material from a library. It's going to open up this tab and you can type in, basically, you can try whatever you want. Let's go for iron, hit search. And because there are actually several types of iron and several different grades, it's going to have a comprehensive list and you're going to have to choose which one you actually mean, right? It's a lot more comprehensive than you might imagine. What you do is you select one, you can either double click or right click and say add to model. And what this has done now, and they've pre-built, all of these nice material properties are right there ready for you to use, right? So if you expand the chevron, you can go down, you can check out the basic definitions. This is thermal conductivity in the solid, K-solid and yield 1. We can look at thermal expansion, and you'll notice that these are all piecewise functions, right? Because that's how they are implemented into COMSOL. They're actually using that function capability. When you look at it, here are the properties that go in. Of course, you can still plot it. Very useful if you want to see what's going on. And it'll also give you the any kind of information about the units, and I'll make it consistent. Where this becomes really powerful in the next section is when you look at the physics. Your heat transport will know the name thermal conductivity, and you can just point it to these materials, right? So then when you're creating heat transport and you want to try it for a different material, you can just hot swap these things out. It is also possible to create your own materials. That might be something that you're interested in doing in the future, and you can actually add it to your own user library.